How to log out Binance App Account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log out of your Binance account. For this, you want to open the Binance app on your device. Now, Binance is a global company that operates the largest cryptocurrency exchange in terms of daily trading volume of cryptocurrencies. If for some reason you want to log out of your account, then follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to tap on the Binance icon at the top left corner of your screen. Here you will have different options. You want to tap on your user ID. Once you tap on your user ID, you will have two options at the bottom of your screen. Number one is switch account and the second one is log out. If you simply want to switch account, which means you want to log into another account, tap on that option. With this option, you will be able to switch back and forth between multiple accounts. However, if you want to log out of your current account, then go ahead and tap on the log out option. As soon as you tap on this option, you will be successfully logged out of your Binance account. If you want to log in, tap on the login option. If you want to create a new account, tap on the sign up option. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.